I'm going to show you how to make corn fritters for this recipe. I'm using nearly 2 cups of fresh milk, then a tablespoon of baking powder, some fresh chives, or you can use parsley or coriander instead. Then I have fresh corns, 2 cobs here. I took the kernels out, and another 3 cobs here, and I'm going to use the kernels like this. So I have altogether 5 corn cobs. I took the kernels out. A little bit of salt, 3 eggs. Then I'm going to use 2 cups of plain flour, some spices, a tablespoon of coriander, a tablespoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of fennel, and half a teaspoon of pepper, and some crushed chilies. Chili is always optional, and I am going to use a little bit of green chilies too to give little extra heat into the fritters. It is optional if you don't like to add. What I am going to do is I divided this into 2 because I want this to cream. So I am going to put that in a food processor and cream it, and going to use it in the batter. So I creamed the corn. I am going to add that into a bowl, and into that going to add the spices and the chives. Now into the mix add the eggs, and then enough salt to your taste, and the corn kernels, and first I am going to add 1 cup of milk, and you can adjust the milk level with when you want a nice batter. So to make the batter, I'm going to add a tablespoonful baking powder. Put the baking powder and then the flour, and you don't need to add the whole lot of flour. If you feel like, just mix it and see the consistency. It has to be little runny, not to be very thick. If you find it runny, add more milk, flour, or if you find it thick, add more milk and make a nice smooth batter. Leave some olive oil or any other kind of oil that you like to add in a pan, not a lot, maybe half a cup. So after that, when the oil is hot, you can do this in 2 ways. First way is to grab a spoonful and pour it into the hot oil. The oil is not hot actually. And the other way is you can use 1 egg ring and pour the mix into the egg ring to make it into a nice shape like this, and cook it on very low heat until it cooks one side, and then put it to the other side and cook the other side too until golden brown. I finished making some corn fritters, and this is a really nice vegetarian recipe that you can try. I hope you will enjoy. Thank you for watching.